Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing a short but very useful video, especially for those who use YouTube and more specifically for those who have their own YouTube account, who have their own YouTube account. This setting has to do with YouTube privacy. The thing is, many people who watch videos without even realizing that there are hidden settings enabled by default and they don't work to their advantages for example, when you log into the YouTube app and see if you have an account, how can you check? Just look at the bottom right. If you see an icon tone, it means you have your own personal account. And when you're browsing through videos, even just scrolling through them, if you have this setting enabled, unfortunately, other users can tag you in this flag you in this kartos vato takarturan. Some videos are, let's say, very useful, and others are, let's say, ridiculous. And I personally wouldn't want to be tagged in any of those videos if I know. And really, no one should be tagging you without your permission. Unfortunately, if you have this setting enabled, the intelligence can automatically detect that you're in certain videos. But there's also the other side of the coin. Not only can the artificial intelligence automatically tag something you don't want, but other users can also tag you in absolutely any videos and even comments, even though you might not be there So here's what you need to do. So you don't get confused. Here's the YouTube app. Go ahead and open it. Then at the bottom right, you'll see your avatar. Click it. At the top right, you'll see a gear icon. That's the settings. Click it. And here among all these settings, look for a setting called rules of privacy. Usually look for an icon like this. Click here and see a setting called allow mentions with. Other users will be able to mention you in video titles and descriptions, posts and comments. So to protect your privacy, because you might not want anyone abusing this seemingly innocuous setting, unfortunately, there are people who intentionally add in the touch pre-mentions that you don't know somewhere in a spur direm about oromtia in specific video about a counter pressed. Overall, I personally recommend everyone disable this setting. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Uda.